Hey all, this is Peyton with Tom with Subaru. Today we're looking at a 2023 Subaru WRX GT in World Rally Blue. We're going to do a ride-along video to go over some of the new features the car has and to see what this new CVT transmission is all about. Let's check it out. So the first thing you'll notice when getting into the car, one, the ultra suede Recaro seats hug you better than any other trim level that the Subaru WRX has to offer right now. Also on the steering wheel, you'll see this mode button with a star next to it. You can actually pick different drive modes that adjust your steering, suspension, all-wheel drive system, all of that good stuff. And the individual page, you can actually save, and that's what the star on the steering wheel is for. So you can just quickly hit that and it goes to your preferred setting that you customize for yourself. For today's drive, we'll be doing Sport Plus. So stiffer suspension, tighter steering, should make for a more fun drive. Let's check it out. Alright, so the main thing I'm excited to try out are these new paddle shifters. And I want to test out this suspension too. So we're going to hit a couple roundabouts at higher speeds and see how the new car performs. Oh wow. It shifts quick. There's a night and day difference between the current CVT and the old CVT we had. Even starting at 50, it's got some pull. I mean, check out these shift points and how quickly it shifts. Oof. That's borderline DSG territory, I would say. Oh yeah. And one of the great things about being in Sport Sharp, whenever you let up off the gas, it keeps those RPMs high so that if you need to hammer it down again, you get that instant throttle response, which, you know, coming out of a roundabout, that's definitely ideal, or a corner for that matter. All right, so I've owned two WRX models in the past. I'm going to see how this compares on this roundabout. Oh wow. Night and day. I mean, this thing is planted. That was awesome. All right, so that was a quick drive in the 2023 Subaru WRX GT. In my opinion, night and day difference with the shifts. I mean, it's substantially quicker. You're upshifting and downshifting with the paddle shifters with this awesome new CVT. Also the roundabouts with this new Sport Tune suspension, I was very, very impressed. I've always thought the WRX handled very well. This is definitely the next step up. Lower center of gravity, more rigid chassis. It's an all-around better vehicle. I definitely recommend coming to check one out if you have not already. If you have any ideas for future videos or anything you want us to answer for you, please let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, whatever we can do for you. We're here to help. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.